Finding the volume of a cylinder. You may remember the formula for the volume of a cylinder from second year. Pause the video and see if you can write down the volume of a cylinder formula. And you can also then pause the video if you think I've got that right. You can pause the video and have a go at example 6. Okay, a cylinder is a special type of prism. And the volume of a prism, remember, is the area of the cross-section multiplied by the length. But the area of the cross-section is a circle. And we know the area of a circle is pi r squared. So that gives pi r squared. And then the length of the cylinder is called the height. So that would be h. So this is the formula for the volume of a cylinder. So in this case, it'll be V equals pi multiplied by the radius squared. It has a diameter of 12, so the radius will be half of that, which is 6. So 6 squared multiplied by its height, which is 15. Put that in the calculator and you get 1696.5 to 1 decimal place. Quite often in the textbook, questions maybe like this here would be to 3 significant figures. So you could also write that as, well in this case, because when you go to 3 sig figs, the 6 rounds and end up to a 10, it might look like it's 2 sig figs, but to 3 significant figures, that would be 1,700. And their units in the question are centimeters cubed.